I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open your email account and look for the latest message from the service. Search subject lines for words like verification, security, or code to surface the message. Expect a 6-digit code and verify the timestamp is within 30 minutes. Check spam, junk, and promotions folders if you cannot find the message in your inbox. If the single message contains links, do not click unknown links before you confirm sender authenticity. If you chose SMS, watch your messages for a 6-digit verification code. Wait up to 2 minutes and then look at call voicemail for a voice message code. Confirm your phone number uses correct country and area formatting on the account settings page. If SMS still fails, verify your carrier has no outage and that blocking or filtering services are disabled. Retry sending the code only after you confirm number and carrier connectivity. Open your Authenticator app to read the 6-digit time-based code that rotates every 30 seconds. If you previously saved backup codes, retrieve the printed or securely stored list and use the next unused code. Check for trusted devices or logged-in sessions that may present a verification approval notification. If neither method works, initiate account recovery using the provider's recovery form and supply requested identity information to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.